You're a dead man! I'm sending you straight to hell!
Shoot the lights out, hide till it's bright out. Oh, just another lonely night. Are you willing to sacrifice your life?